channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Tiffany and this is DivinePlantCreations. Today I have a super exciting product to bring to you. I had a company reach out to me a few weeks ago and they offered to send me a grow light. The company's name is Glowrium and I am super excited to give this product a try. I am not being compensated in any way for making this video. They had just sent me the light and paid for shipping as well. So with that being said, I had been looking for something to put on the shelf behind me. It's where I'm going to be growing a bunch of my begonia on the very top up here. So I wanted a really nice light to not only grow my plant babies, being as this room is lower light, but I wanted it to look aesthetically pleasing. So when they showed me this light that they were gonna send, I was thrilled. These lights have some awesome features, and while I unbox it, I will go through those features for you and you guys can see the product all set up and how I style it. Over the next few weeks, I will give you guys some information about how I feel the light is growing my plants, and I will keep you guys posted. Stay tuned to the end because they have given a discount code for my viewers. So with that being said, let's get into it.
So this is Glowrium's G2 Pro series. Their light is a full spectrum with extra spectrum balance, which suits for all stages of plant growth. The features have auto on-off, a 360-degree flexible gooseneck, and adjustable height. They adjust from 39 to 78 inches, and they are a 48-watt grow light. They have some really cool features. You can set these lights to be adjusted from 3, 9, 12, and 16-hour timers. They also have a dimming button that dims from 10 to 100%. They also have 3 spectrums for growing: seedling phase, vegetative phase, and flowering phase. They're backed with a 2-year warranty on all their grow lights, and this is the dual head LED. The base plate is super sturdy. At first, I had adjusted this with the longer poles, but being as my shelf isn't as tall, I did remove that longer piece, which is perfect. I have so many options to continue moving this taller or moving it to a different area in my room. I can use it from the floor or on the shelf. This feature makes it really handy for when my plants are small right now, but the begonias grow extremely fast, so I'm sure that I will be adjusting the height on these pretty soon. But for now, this is how we are doing it. Another really handy thing about this light is that, so with the flexible heads, I can adjust the height as my certain plants grow. Some are going to be slower, some are going to be faster. And these have a really nice little control there on the remote, as well as a super long cord, which is so handy. So here's where I took out that longer piece and adjusted it to fit where my plants are going to go. I didn't want it to be sky high, as Glowrium did give that little measuring tool to set the light at about 6 inches above my plants. So I will be using that. I'm going to stick the QR codes on my community posts. If you guys have any questions about the lights or any of the other products from Glowrium, you can reach out to me or Glowrium themselves. So these lights do come in a couple different wattages, 24 watt and 48 watt, as well as 2 different colors, black and white. This specific light features a 268-piece LED, and they say that the lifespan is about 50,000 hours. Being as this is going to be used to grow begonia and they do not need a high light source, I think this light will grow them wonderfully. The greatest part about it is that I can adjust the height of the light so the plants can receive the most amount of foot candles. I personally measure in foot candles, but I know some people do measure in lux as well. I usually try and run about 450 foot candles on the low end and up to about 1,000. So far, this light is seeming extremely easy. It was super easy to set up, and I feel like it's going to be a great addition to this plant shelf. So right here, I'm just going to go through the settings on the light for you. This is the seedling phase, vegetative phase, and the flowering phase, as well as the dim setting. I really like that this has a little remote to do all these features from instead of trying to adjust on little knobs or anything. Really handy. I also want to add that it's really nice to be able to change the color tone of this light by switching through the little seedling, vegetative, and flower phase, as I know some people don't like a cool light and some people don't like a warm light. So there we have the light complete.
Great, so we have the light set up behind me, and I'm gonna fill that top shelf with some plants. I will post a photo of what it looks like here. I'm really excited to see how this product works for me over the next few weeks. I will keep you guys updated. I'm not sure if I will make another video update or if I will do just a quick little like Reels update or what, but keep your eyes open for that when it drops. I can't put a time frame on it right now as it's summer and we're super busy getting things wrapped up before the kids start school again. But I will try my best to get it to you in a timely manner. Thank you guys all so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And Glowrium was nice enough to leave a discount code for you all, 10% off. So here is your code. And let me know if you guys try this light out and what you think of it. Yeah, if you all have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or Glowrium. Thank you guys all for watching. Bye.